Hey guys, today we have a 2008 Nissan Armada and we're gonna make a key and a flip key with the remote. We only have one key and this remote fob doesn't work, so let's go find a flip key that will work for this car. All right, let's get started. Alright, first of all, let's go ahead and start with the information we need. So I'm going to be using this remote fob here, flip key, and we need a, right here, Nissan Armada, FCC right here, which is 2005 and 8. This is the KBR AU T15, and we already have it ready right here for the Keytoolmax, and then that's what we're gonna generate here. This is the blue one, so this is a wireless. And what kind of blade do we need is NSN14 right there. So let's go ahead and grab an NSN14. Let me see, where'd you go? Nissan, let me see. There you go. That's what we need. That's what we need. All right, let's go ahead and close this. So that's the matching key blade that we need. They look identical. All right, and let's go ahead and generate the fob. What we're gonna do is open this fob first. Let's go ahead and stand it up. Let's try to open this. And this will need a, let's see, what kind of battery does it need? This one will need a 2032 battery. Let's plug in the 32 battery real quick. There you go. We got a 2032 battery. So this is a wireless fob. So let's go ahead and put that first. There you go. Because this one has a chip already on it. So let's close it up. Make sure that don't lose that one there. All right. So this is not programmed, it's not generated yet. So we have this here. So we're gonna go ahead and generate the remote. So let's go ahead, put it here on the coil, generate it. Now it's detecting. With this one, you had to put the battery first. All right. Generated 100% complete. Let's go ahead and try to program this first, if it's the right one. So you can see it's turning light already. If it's the right one, then we can continue. Program this to the car. All right, let's go ahead and program the remote fob. First, let's lock the door. Then insert the key 6 to 7 times until the hazard turns on. 1, 2, not too fast. 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Once the hazard turns on, put it in on position. Then press the lock button. See the hazard? That's acknowledged it already. Let's go ahead, turn it off. Unlock it. Then open the door. Let's try it. There you go. It's locked. Unlock. So this is good. Let's go ahead and try from the outside. So that's lock, unlock. That's lock, then unlock. So that's good, guys. So let's go ahead, proceed to cutting the key. All right, let's go ahead, go cut the key. What we're gonna do is go to find bearing. Let's go to Nissan. Here, I know we're using NSN 14 right here. Let's make sure it's the 10 beating or the 12 beating. Sometimes it changed on these cars. Here we have 10 beating right there, so that's what we're gonna use, because there's a couple things on NSN right here. See, there's a 10 beating, 11 beating there, and that's not what we're gonna use. I accidentally click it. So what we're gonna do is just go back, and then this is what we need, the 10 beating, and make sure that's connected to your Xhorse condor. And this one said we're gonna use the M1 clamp, tip 4. This is the M1 clamp. So let's go ahead and remove these. Alright. Let's go ahead and position this really good real quick. Hold on. And then it says tip 4. So we're gonna put the key on the tip 4, which is second to the top. Go ahead, open this up. Tip 4. Show you real quick. There's a tip 4 right there, second to the top. And then tied at the side clamp and the Allen from the top. Once we have that, let's go ahead, press OK. And then decode key. Make sure it's in the second to the top line. Press continue. And that's it, guys. We're rolling. So once that's done, let's go ahead and remove it. Remove the Allen from the top. So that's good. You can see it says decode key success. Let's go ahead and put the blank key again. It's going to be the same spot. Second to the top. Key line, let me show you again. Right there. And then let's go ahead, tight the Allen. Make sure it's tight so it doesn't move. But you have to tighten the side first before that. So right now that wasn't tight pretty well, so I'm gonna do, I just saw something. So first, make sure it's flat, really flat. There you go. I think that looks a lot better. And I'm gonna tighten it. There you go. That's good. So what we're gonna do next is key cutting. Continue, and let's cut it. that's done. Clean it up real quick. Let's open it and remove. So what I normally like to do is clean it up. Alright, so that should be pretty the same. Alright, let's try it. Alright, let's go ahead and test this key before we actually install it to the fob. So it's kind of dark, but let's go ahead. Lock it. Let's lock. That's unlocked. Okay, that's good. Let's try an ignition. Yep, it turns. That's good. Alright, let's go ahead and install it to the key fob. Alright, let's go ahead. Put this in. Make sure it goes in pretty good. You can see the hole perfectly. That's good. That's it. That's in. Now let's try it again. So this one will unlock the car, and it will actually lock and unlock it with the fob. This one, of course, it turns. It will not start. So now it's time to program the key, the chip inside. Alright, let's go ahead and program this key. Actually, what I'm gonna do is we're just gonna clone it. It'll be faster to do it. Let's go back, and then let's go to transponder clone. Let's go ahead with the chip. Put this key on the coil with transponder. Alright, so the lock is clonable. So clone. Start cloning. 46 clone. It's reading it. Please take out the original key with the super chip, and we have it here. Let's insert it here. It's writing the data, so you can see. It's waiting. No chip detected. There you go. It's checking it. There you go. Make sure it's all the way in so it will detect it. It's writing. Make sure you have online. Your Wi-Fi is connected. There you go. Complete. What we're gonna do is read it. We can read it again. Go back. Read transponder. So you can see. There you go. It's locked. Let's go ahead and charge the car. See if it works. Make sure the lock and unlock still works. That's good. You can hear it. There you go. And then let's go ahead and start it with the original key first. That'll start perfectly. There's no lights or anything, so that means that's good. We didn't lose the original key. So then let's go ahead, try a brand new key. There you go. Start perfectly, guys. All right. Do it again. There you go. Start perfectly. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time, That's how you cut and program the key. Actually, it's clone the key for Nissan Armada. This one is 2008. Thank you for watching the video. Till next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.